Let's see about the Nifty levels today. So Nifty again formed a bearish candle today. So even though it opened higher level, it started going down and closed around 17,290 to be precise, 17,248 around this level. So it went up again. It is not showing in the consolidation. It closed around 17,270 or something around that. And these are my holdings. My holdings SBI card, IAX, HPL. HPL. This is a very small cap stock. I'll just wind it up around. Bsoft, Naukri, ICICI General Insurance, Pidilite Industry. These are the stocks it went upward, and remaining all stocks went downward because most of the stocks are ICICI, like most of the stocks are banking stocks like HDFC, Manappuram, even Dabur, Hindustan Lever also not went good today. Morning HDFC is going good, but in closing it went red. Marico, State Bank of India, Tata Consumer, HDFC, yeah, everything went down today. And coming to my positions, my position is in I reduced some losses, and now I'm sitting with some profit, and I converted the previous weekly buy to next weekly buy. So I closed the 16th, I closed 16th expiry trade to 23rd expiry. So bought 2000 quantity, both 16,500 and 18,000 CE. And I haven't made any changes to this one. Morning I have bought and closed like 50, only one lot. I just turned it around and did some small profit in this one. Other than that, very minor change. The position remains same. And there is one more thing I missed out. Today I did a protective put expiry trade. I got a profit around 3,000 rupees in that. So what I did, bought both Nifty future and sold this current week 17,300 when it is in spot. I sold that PE. So it was like this. I'll show it in that Sensible app. Yeah, this is my strangle. I will come back again. First, we'll see the expiry trade. Yeah, this is the expiry trade I did. So all expired. You can see this is a profit I made. So initially I bought future. Whenever the market is going down, I know that the market won't be going down much since all the global markets are in green, and also the Fed meeting was over. So I was assuming that market will be coming up. So I keep on selling the future whenever it is going down, and wherever the spot is, I was keep on buying the future. Sorry, I was keep on buying the future when it is going down, and I keep on buying the put options whenever the levels are going. Like you can see, when 17,300, I bought this future, and when market went down to 17,250, I bought this put option, and similarly it went around 17,200. That time I bought this put option. So overall, like when the market is in a upward direction, I book some profit. I might have booked profit around 5,000. I closed the trade before, just want to be sure in profit zone. So I just made the profit and just cut it out. Going back to our trade, this one, yeah, this one. So somehow I managed the losses in the last previous days. So now sitting with some 60,000 profit, and I need to reduce some 2,000. I did some mistake in one of the calculation. Instead of 250 and instead of 2,250, I put 2,000. That is just a call option. I haven't it's very small amount I have used because the VIX was crashing today. This position is coming into the green. So since the Fed meeting everything is over, so like we will be, there won't be any big news until there is any big news. Our market will be in VIX will be in lesser zone. So for the new creation of the writers, it won't be good, but for the existing sellers, it will be good. So this is the levels. So until the market goes to 16,600, I will be in safe zone. Similarly, in per zone, 18,080. I suppose within this December, it won't touch 18,000 until unless the FIA supports the market. So if FIAs or keep selling, surely 17,000 will be like a resistance. Even if it goes down, we need to adjust somehow. But in if it crosses 17,500 or 600, I will be changing this straddle. So let's see. We need to wait. We cannot predict it. We cannot able to predict the market. And whatever the profit I am getting in here, I need to reduce it by 50,000, 60,000 because I'm buying some call option and put option, which is going idle. At the end of expiry, it is going zero. So I need to reduce that one. I'm just cut shorting it to see the graph properly. So that's it for the zone. We'll quickly see the open interest of it. So you can see there are so many call and wentings. So expecting the market will be going up. So you can see this shows the bullishness in market. So there are more chances market will be going up. And there is still, yeah, this is today's expiry. So I need to skip this one. We should not see this. Maybe monthly we need to see. Monthly, I will take out the current one. Even in monthly, you can see the 17,000 put and call, they hugely unwinded it. This is might be because of the expiry date it was showing like this. So I need to skip this one and see this historical option chain. So you can see 17,000 is a strong support, and there is a good strangle written in 17,300 and 17,500. There is a very good straddle, straddle written in 17,300 and 17,500. So this will be the zones most probably. If it breaks, then like we will be seeing some upward zone. But 17,000 will act as a strong support for this month. And for the next month, 17,500 there is a straddle, and again strong support in 17,000. So one may 17,000 put option whenever the market is coming down to get some more profit, and we can expect market to not cross 17,500. If there is any market reversal, it will be after this one. There will be a huge short covering, so the market will be going up. So as part of today's GTT, Sanofi was triggered. It triggered around 7,544, and I'm waiting for some more GTT to be triggered. But market came up. Let's see, like if there is any chance Hindustan Unilever might get triggered. So I put a level 2,301. Let's see, like how much down it came today. It came down till 2,303.95. So just we missed it by 3 points. That's okay. And the Dauber also, it came around today closed 570, and we put it in 564.5, and it came till 569. There are chances tomorrow it will get Dauber or Hindustan Lever will get triggered. Let's see. Other than that, other stocks are in upper range. HDFC Life, it might get triggered. 669 I have put the level. It came till so 660 is the level I have put. 669 it came today, and the today's low is 667. It's inching, nearing us. So that's it. We can expect for next some days to be triggered. We go through the market news today. Center firms up asset monetization plan for Ashok Hotel. Okay. Bank of England raises interest rate to combat inflation. Okay, it's not a good for it's not a good sign for a market. So if the interest rates rise, then stock market holdings will get reduced. We need to see how US is deciding. US said already there will be three consecutive interest rate increase in 2022. We need to wait and watch. If if it is already discounted, we'll be like seeing consolidation in our market. If any like new news is like if they are going to increase more interest rates, then the market may be reversing. Yeah. Other than that, what other news we have? Census Nifty is now 4-day losing streak. Okay, IT banking on Accenture revenue forecast top estimates. Okay, India working to cut lithium import boost. Okay, it's cut the lithium import and it boosting the EV electron sector. Okay, EV sectors. Okay, SB will be a role model for B schools in solving. Okay, not much news. Today, the top winners of Bajaj Finance after long beaten up. Bajaj Finance is coming up. Infosys, BPCL, Titan, Reliance. You can see like even the market was beaten down. Bank Nifty was not performing today. The main push is coming from Infosys, Reliance, Bajaj Finance. These are the company make the market moving up. Similarly, losers, Maruti Suzuki, ICICI Bank. So most of banking sectors didn't win today. Didn't well didn't went well today. Hero Motor Corp. So automobiles and banking sectors didn't well win today. And active stocks, Reliance, ICICI, HDFC. We thought like Reliance will be coming up. Yeah, that is happened. I heard through some news is like banking sectors are going to be like privatized. Some government banking sectors, which is not good for government banks. So the government bank employees are gonna strike. So that is might be the reason banking sectors are not performing well even after the good Fed results. Other than that, world markets are in green. Even though like you can see England Bank of England raising the interest rate, still you can see the UK market is in green. So that's it. Not much news today. Thank you. One more thing, I haven't plotted that levels for Nifty. As we discussed, Nifty is in this trend. If you put the parallel channel, it formed a new pattern as per the price action. As per the price action, it should touch here in coming days, or it should consolidate around this place. Maximum it should come around 17,000 to 18. Yeah, this range. It won't be breaking it in 2 3 days, and then it will be moving again to 17,700 or 800 levels. We can calmly keep Nifty till it crosses 17,350, or else if you are seeing the 15 minutes chart with the super trend, I'll be holding at least the same strangle till this level, 17,330. Yeah, around this level, I'll keep waiting for it. Once the super trend becomes green, I'll wait for one candle and then I'll go for a trade. You can see like it crossed this level, but the next confirmation candle went down, so no need to change that trade. So if it is crossing and like above like 17,350, it's holding the green candle, then we can change the current straddle. So that's it for today. Thank you.